Tonight the sky gets dark. The Orion meteor shower is back. This year, it lines up with a new moon, so the sky is extra black. In the next few minutes, you'll learn when to watch, what it means, and a quick ritual to make your wish clear. The peak is around midnight Universal Time on October 21st, so if you are in the Americas, go out late on October 20th and stay into the early hours of October 21st. If you are in Europe or Africa, go out after midnight on October 21st until dawn. If you are in Asia or Oceania, go out after midnight on October 21st. The next night works too. The new moon makes the night very dark. Dark skies help you see faint meteors. That means more streaks and longer trails. Under dark skies, expect about 10 to 20 meteors each hour. It comes in waves, sometimes nothing for a minute, then 2 or 3 at once. Give your eyes 20 to 30 minutes to adjust. The Orionids are tiny pieces of Comet Halley. They hit our air very fast and burn up as light. They seem to come from the star Betelgeuse in the Orion constellation, but you can look anywhere in the sky to see them. Think of this night as a signal night. Use a simple idea. Release, signal, receive. Release the heavy mood you don't need. Signal one clear intention. Receive the signs that follow in the next 72 hours. A message, a meeting, a small shift. And here are the 3 common mistakes. 1. Vague wishes. I want abundance is too wide. Be specific. 2. Heavy room. Stale corners make your mind dull. 3. Leaky boundaries. You make a wish, then spend tomorrow with people who drain you. That kills the signal. Here's a simple ritual you can do right now. Set your phone to silent. Place 4 tea light candles, 1 at each corner of your room. Place 1 more candle in front of you. Table or floor is fine. Make sure it is safe and stable. Light the 4 corner candles first, then light the candle in front of you. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders drop. Gaze at the front candle. Hold a steady, soft focus. Candle flame amplifies intention. When you gaze into the flame and speak one clear line, the signal is focused and projected. Place a glass of water beside the front candle. The water holds the instruction you give it. Now speak your intention, 1 sentence, present tense. For example, I choose calm focus and steady progress by January 31st. Use your own goal and your own date when you do it. Keep your eyes on the flame and repeat your line once, slow and certain. Then lean slightly towards the water and say the same line once to the glass. Sit in silence for 10 slow breaths, eye on the flame. When you are done, drink 3 small sips from the glass and you may place the remaining on an altar. Extinguish the front candle safely. Leave the 4 corner tea lights to finish on their own if safe, or snuff them out carefully if you must leave the room. The ritual is complete. Flame focuses, words direct, water carries. Your intention is set. Tonight is powerful because new moon darkness gives you the blackest sky, and the Orionids add fast, bright signals across it. Use that window well. We will set the same intention for 3 nights in a row, tonight, tomorrow, and the night of the new moon, so the message stays clear and strong. Do this same candle and water ritual each night. Read the same 1-line sentence and keep your boundaries clean for 72 hours. In the next videos, I will guide night 2 and night 3 step by step and show you how to lock the results. Subscribe now so you do not miss them, and drop your city and your 1-line intention in the comments. Dark sky, clear line, repeated signal. Let the night answer you back. If you like practical mysticism, energy protection, boundaries, and clear manifestation, subscribe so you never miss the moment.